I'm going to show you how you can add a QR code to any design within Canva. QR codes have had a bit of a resurgence lately thanks to COVID. We've been scanning QR codes when we've been checking into restaurants and pubs through track and trace, and when we've been scanning our LFT test to record a positive or negative result. But how can we use them within UNISON? This leaflet that you can see here has been designed as part of the campaign to support care staff at St Monica Trust. Now they're taking strike action over cuts to their pay, sick pay and working hours. This leaflet will be handed out on picket lines across Bristol and North Somerset, and basically the idea is it explains the dispute and gives people an action that they can take to support the campaign. Now the action we want people to take is to sign the petition, which I can show you here. So this shows you the petition, and this says that 3,109 people are now supporting care workers at St Monica Trust in their campaign for fair pay. Now down here at the bottom of my leaflet, if I just zoom in a second and scan down, you can see I've got a little space here where I'm going to add my QR code. So I've got over 3,000 people have already added their name, add yours today, scan the QR code to sign. If we go across up here to elements, and in this box we type in QR code and hit enter, it gives us this app that we can use. So add a URL, we'll create a QR code for you, add it to your design. Great. Click use app. Now in this box we want to add in the URL. This is where, if you scan that QR code with your phone, this is where it's going to take you. So if we go across back to our tab up here and copy that and paste it into that box, generate the QR code, it'll add it into our design. Now, before I try and move any of that around, I'm just going to quickly change the position. So if we click that position and bring it to front, that's just going to mean that as I drag it, it's not going to interfere with any other elements on my design. So I'm going to drag that down to the bottom and just scale it down so it's not covering all the text up. Pull that in line, and there you have it. That is your QR code. So now I'm going to show you quickly with my mobile phone, if I scan that now, what happens. But that is so simple, and it saves people from typing in a URL. They can literally pick up their camera phone and scan, take the action, support the campaign. So I'm looking forward to seeing how you all use it back in your branches, and I hope that's been really useful. So now using my phone, I can quickly now show you how this will work. So if we open up the camera, scroll down on the leaflet, find the QR code and scan it, and then if we click that, it'll open in Safari, and we can see there that it's taken us directly to the action. Done.